Hello and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today I have a really special box, and it is my FABFITFUN for the summer of 2022, and it is heavy. I have a lot of stuff in here. I've got 2 different mystery bundles plus my regular FABFITFUN, so this is going to be a ball and a half, and I'm going to unbox this now. And it looks like this inside, and there's the FABFITFUN little magazine. And then we have paper, and we have mystery bundles, and then so much more. And let's get into it. It's very exciting. First, I'm going to do, this is the small mystery bundle, and it has 2 things in it. I'm just going as I get the things. And, there's 3 things in it. Okay, awesome. The first thing I'm going to show you is from Fabulous Flocking Lashes from the Beauty Crop. And this looks like it's a mascara. It is sealed, and I'm going to keep it sealed because it'll be great for a giveaway. I have about 6 mascaras open that I rotate through. So that's going to be cool for right now. Then we have from Milk Makeup, Watermelon Brightening Face Mask. And Milk is fantastic. And let's take a look and see what this face mask looks like. I wonder if it smells like watermelon. Oh, it screws off. Oops. It doesn't smell like watermelon, but it's a beautiful color. It's got a little safety seal right there. And it says, glow in a flash, solid clay mask stick, brightens, hydrates, and even skin tone for a luminous complexion. So that's super cool. And you know, Milk is a kind of high-end brand, so that's cool. Ruby, get out of the box. The cats love to get in boxes. And then this is 100% cotton. And it says Caravan Design Well Traveled. And I'm not sure exactly what this is. Oh, it is a rug. It's a little rug. How cute is that? Well, I'm just going to keep this in here because the last thing I need in here is a white rug. But this will make a great gift for someone. So that's very cool. And then the next mystery bundle. Oh, it's a much smaller one, but it's got a lot of stuff in it. Let me cut it open. I'll take the big thing first. And it is from Teamy, and it is a beauty mask. So it looks like I've got 2 masks today, and it is a restorative clay mask, and those are great for your complexion, so that's very cool. And Teamy is a great brand. Then we have from Invisibobble some little ponytail holders, which I love these things. I'm wearing a ponytail right now even, so that's very cool. Then we have from Victoria Land Beauty, extra skin loving treatment for eyes and lips. And it says directions, gently smooth over eyelids, and under eyes. And I'm not sure what it does. It's hard to read because it's white on silver. Let me put the glasses on. And around lips, morning and evening after cleansing. So it is some kind of just treatment, it says. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. So it's just like skin loving treatment for eyes and lips. And it's just some kind of great little eye moisturizer and lip moisturizer. That's interesting that they use it for both. And then last but not least in this bag is from Evio Beauty. It's a black mascara. So we got 2 mascaras in our mystery bags. And this is not the best mystery bags that I've ever gotten, but it's interesting. It's interesting. Let's get into the FABFITFUN. There's so much stuff in here. And sorry I don't have it on a little table for right now. But, so I'll have to dip down and grab things as we go. All right, so this is a beautiful box and it's got a bunch of stuff in here. This magazine about the box, and it's got trending on TikTok and tips for beauty, and here's some skincare tips. I'm trying to find the actual I'm not finding what I want, the descriptions of the items, but we'll just go in here and grab things as we go and see what's what. Oh, and this is $40 off of Daily Harvest, and it's a food box, and I don't need that. And this is from Kayo. It's a body scrubber. And who doesn't need to scrub their body this time of year? And it's got some kind of wine card. And this looks like it's an exfoliating. It's really got an interesting texture to it. And it is silicone. So I guess you just go with some soap in the shower. Very cool. Everybody needs to exfoliate this time of year. Can I get it back in the box? That's the big question. No, I cannot. And then speaking of body scrubbing, this is a scalp and body scrub from Away. I used to know how to pronounce this. And it is definitely high-end and wonderful. Oh, it smells amazing. I'm not going to take the little lid off because it's going to get everywhere. But that's great. This will go, I'll put these 2 together and have a fine time in the shower. And from Lasting Smiles, I got an aromatherapy candle, which I love candles. I have a candle addiction. Never enough candles. If the power goes out here, I am more than set. And this is the candle. It smells very good. It's sea salt and citrus. And it's a beautiful looking candle. And we'll keep that in the box. This will, of course, will make it could be a great gift for someone. We love things that can be gifts. And then we've got from Dr. Brandt, the Pore Purifying Cleanser. And Dr. Brandt is definitely a wonderful, you know, product from a great company. And it's got salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. Then I remember checking this out, and this is from Billion Dollar Brows. It is a brow kit with a pencil, a brow gel, and a brow boost. So that's cool. And the brow boost is to prime your eyebrows with this product for a smooth makeup application. So it's like primer for your brows. And I'm not going to open this up because it's just some tubes. You guys know what those tubes look like. Then from Tula Skincare, I'm very excited about this. This is a facial sunscreen, and everyone needs sunscreen this time of year. Well, actually all times of year, but this is SPF 30, and it says Protect and Glow. And it is a great little tube. Squirt a little out. It doesn't have much of a scent to it. But now this part of my hand is going to be moisturized and sunscreen, so no skin cancer here. And then last but not least, I'm really excited about this. This is from Draper James, and this is a wonderful basket. That will be great for putting in a towel or some napkins, and putting like delicious food things in here, or you can like put it on a coffee table to hold and corral some other things. I'm really excited. This is probably, I'm most excited about this and the sunscreen for real, because this summer's FABFITFUN was not as good as last summer's, but with this beautiful wicker basket, the sunscreen, the Pore Purifying Cleanser from Dr. Brandt, the candle, the brow kit, the body scrub, and the scrubber, this is definitely worth my $49.99 a season. I definitely got my money's worth for sure, and I'm excited that you guys were here with me to share this unboxing, and I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.